Assalamu alaikum God people. Today I will show you that how to make Suji's Haluwa and paratha. First I will cook some peanuts in low flame. Then put into big spoon ghee, clarified butter in low flame. It must be in low to medium flame hit. Then put in 2½ cup of Suji. Now keep mixing them to save from burning. Then ½ cup of powder milk. In another pot boil 3 bay leaves for cardamom, 3 cinnamon. In hot water. After 8 to 10 minutes, when a smell comes out from it, put off then from that boiled water. Now put in 1 cup of sugar. Then 1 teaspoon salt. Now put in 1 cup of sliced coconut. Now boil them all for 10 minutes. After 20 minutes of mixing, put in raisins and peanuts, as much as you want. Now put in that boiled mixture of coconut. Now keep mixing them all for 7 to 8 minutes. Now put in 1 big spoon ghee in your serving plate of your Haluwa. Now put off your Haluwa to your serving plate. Now for paratha, put in 3 cup of maida. Now put in 2 teaspoon sugar. Now 1 teaspoon salt. Now put in 5 teaspoons soybean oil in it. Now 1 cup and 2 teaspoon of water. Now mix it well. In mixing to get a better dough, add again 1 teaspoon soybean oil. Now mix it again. Now I am giving to marinate in for 2 hours. Try to keep marinating for as much as you can. Now make parathas of that dough. Now give 1 teaspoon ghee for parathas. Now all done. I hope you will like this recipe. If my recipe seems to you very helpful, then subscribe my channel. And like this video as well, because it gives inspiration to me. Till then, Allah Hafiz.